We have 8 guiding principles. This is one of them. People are the most significant risk. I don't know if anyone, did you all get our newsletter this month? We found a survey of information security professionals. And they were asked, okay, in one word, give me one word, what is the most significant risk to information? Now, it took, what was it, 26 responses by professionals before somebody actually gave the right answer, which is people. People are the most significant risk. So there's all kinds of different responses. That to us is a concern because you can put in firewalls, you can put in, encrypted databases and security cameras and all these things. But what it really boils down to is it doesn't really matter if your people don't know what to do with these things or if your people are poorly trained.